Welcome to Aventura Learning Center, where we have been in business for more than 15 years, providing our neighboring communities with excellent educational services and childcare services. We have many services that we offer to our community. We have a strong academic program which has proven to be a success and recognized in many public schools. Our students have been tested and promoted to gifted programs. We have a trilingual program where we introduce English, Spanish, and French with many talented instructors teaching these classes, along with science, robotics, gym and dance, ballet, soccer. We are also offering hot, balanced catered meals to our students on a daily basis. We are recognized by the Department of Education. We are an Apple accredited school, Gold Seal awarded school, Quality Counts recognized, and a VPK and CDS provider. Our campus encompasses over 77,000 square feet with modern playground facilities and amenities. Take a moment to come visit our facilities to see what we have to offer and how your child can benefit from it.